During the previous lecture, we discussed about the reactions of the alkyl halides with active metals like sodium, cadmium, or say magnesium. Today we are going to discuss the nucleophilic substitution reactions of the haloarenes or aryl halides. Here, reactivity of the haloarenes towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction or Hn reaction is low because of resonance effect, and sp2 hybridized carbon atom of benzene ring. Haloarenes shows low reactivity towards the SN reaction due to the resonance effect and sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the benzene ring. या ठिकाणी अल्किल हॅलाइड आणि हॅलोअरिन्स यांची जर आपण तुलना केली तर हॅलोअरिन्स या एसएन रिॲक्शनसाठी लो रिॲक्टिव्हिटी दाखवतात. याचं कारण काय आहे तर रेझोनन्स इफेक्ट आणि hybridized sp2 hybridized carbon state of carbon which is present in the benzene ring. See here what happens actually if we draw any haloarenes like say here fluorobenzene. What happens here? One of the lone pair present in the p orbital of the chlorine atom or say X atom or halogen atom is in conjugation with the pi electrons of the benzene ring, and what happens? It produces the partial double bond character. That means what happens? One of the lone pair is shifted like that. Due to this, what happens? Pi electron present in the benzene ring shows the different resonating structures like that. Here, due to the shifting or delocalization of the pi electrons, what happens? This CCl bond becomes partial. It produces double bond here, positive charge, and remaining two pairs as it is. And here, due to shifting or delocalization of pi electron at that position, negative charge is produced at ortho position. Similarly, what happens when this bond is shifted like that, then also resonance structure is formed like that as it is Cl like that. No doubt here what happens due to shifting of the negative charge here, this pi electron are also shifted and which produces negative charge at that position, and here you get the double bonds. Okay, at that position you get the double bond. Similarly, by shifting of this negative charge, automatically this bond will be shifted and it produces the resonance structure. Again negative charge is developed at negative position, ortho position, and at that position double bond is again creates, remaining structure is as it is. Okay, automatically what happens when again negative charge is shifted there, then this bond will shifted like that or it will be delocalized over also in the benzene ring, and again you get the resonating type of structure as it is, pair is shifted like that. So at ortho and para position, negative charges is develops, okay, and in between sp2 hybridized carbon atom present in the benzene ring and chlorine or X bond, what happens? Partial double bond character is developed. That is, this Cl is in conjugation with the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and hence they shows the low reactivity towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. या ठिकाणी आर्थो आणि पॅरा पोझिशनला निगेटिव्ह चार्जेस डेव्हलप होत आहेत. क्लोरीन मधील एखादा इलेक्ट्रॉन पेअर काय होते, sp2 हायब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन ॲटमच्या कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये आल्यामुळं त्या ठिकाणी पार्शियल डबल बॉन्ड कॅरेक्टर डेव्हलप होतं. पार्शियल डबल बॉन्ड कॅरेक्टर डेव्हलप झालं की बॉन्ड लेंथ जी आहे ती बॉन्ड लेंथ ओरिजिनल बॉन्ड लेंथ जी असेल अल्किल हॅलाइडमधील CX बॉन्डची आणि अरिल हॅलाइडमधील CX बॉन्डची, त्याच्यामध्ये डबल बॉन्ड कॅरेक्टर आल्यामुळे या ठिकाणी बॉन्डची जी लेंथ आहे ती बॉन्ड लेंथ काय होते, डिक्रीज होते. आणि बॉन्ड लेंथ डिक्रीज झाल्यामुळं बॉन्ड स्ट्रेंथ जी आहे, पॉवर जी आहे बॉन्डची ती काय होते, इन्क्रीज होते किंवा वाढते. ओके, सो हियर बॉन्ड स्ट्रेंथ इज increases and bond length is decreases, okay, which affects on the breaking of this CX bond in case of the haloarenes. Okay, also second possibility, if you observe either this haloarene shows SN1 or SN2 type of reactions, then what happens here, carbonium ion or which is formed here is not perfectly stabilized by ionization. That is, phenyl ion present which is present in the benzene ring is not stabilized due to ionization or due to self-ionization, and hence SN1 mechanism is also not possible for haloarenes. Similarly, due to presence of pi electrons, backside attack is also blocked. Backside attack of nucleophile is also blocked. That's why what happens, SN2 reactions are also not possible in case of haloarenes. सेल्फ आयोनायझेशन फिनिल कॅटायनचं होऊन त्याचं स्टॅबिलायझेशन होत नाही, त्यामुळे SN1 रिॲक्शन ही हे दाखवत नाहीत. याशिवाय बेंझिन रिंग मधील जे पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहेत हे पाय इलेक्ट्रॉन्स या ठिकाणी ब्लॉक झालेले असतात, त्यामुळे त्या ठिकाणी बॅकसाइड अटॅक सुद्धा पॉसिबल नसतो, त्यामुळे SN2 रिॲक्शन सुद्धा या दाखवत नाही. बट under drastic conditions or at high temperature and under certain conditions, what happens, these haloarenes shows the nucleophilic substitution reactions with some groups like OH or cyanide groups. Such a groups can be replace the CX bond in the haloarenes. Okay, so under drastic conditions or by using high temperature conditions, CX bond can be breaks. If the electron withdrawing groups are present at ortho and para position, especially at para position and ortho position, if the electron withdrawing groups are present, then they deactivates the ring, clear, and CX bond will be easily removed. Okay, for example, you write you take suppose chlorobenzene and at para position suppose NO2 group is present, then you write 4 nitrochlorobenzene, and when it is treated with the NaOH, in which OH minus can be used as a nucleophile. In acidic medium, this reaction is carried out, and by using temperature 433 Kelvin, when this temperature is carried out, then attack of the OH minus nucleophile is easily takes place here, and which replace the Cl, that means which breaks the CCl bond, and you get main product as a para nitrophenol. Para nitrophenol NO2 group is only remains as it is. It is present at the para position. Okay, so presence of the NO2 group will helpful to break the CCl bond in case of the haloarenes. Similarly, we use again if we add the NO2 group at para ortho position, that is two NO2 groups are added, reaction is carried out again same conditions. If the group is again increases, then temperature is again lowered at 403 Kelvin by using NaOH or Na2CO3 as a aqueous medium. In aqueous solution if you use, then again reaction will takes place at faster rate, and here OH minus is again attacks on the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Remaining groups are NO2 as it is. So you get here 2,4 dinitrophenol. 2,4 dinitrophenol is obtained as compared to the first reaction, that is only by considering only one NO2 group. This reaction will takes place at faster rate. Again, if you increases the number of electron withdrawing groups at again ortho position, that is if you use the 3 NO2 groups at ortho and para position, then again temperature is lowered, that is only by warming or slightly heating this reaction is quickly possible, and you get again attack of the OH minus ions like that. Here OH at NO2 groups again remains as it is. You get 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol as a compound. So here, though the aryl halides or haloarenes shows the low reactivity towards the nucleophilic substitution reactions, but by using the high temperature under drastic conditions, we can replace the CCX bond, CX bond, that is bond between carbon and halogen, by increasing the electron withdrawing groups like NO2 groups when we taken at the ortho and para position, then we get the such a type of the compounds. Okay, now tomorrow we will discuss about the electrophilic substitution reactions of the haloarenes. Okay, we stop here.